So I hear it all the time from health and wellness professionals. I need a better way to grow my business, whether they're selling products or they are selling Botox injections or chiropractic wellness or even facelifts. If you're thinking this in your mind, this video is going to be for you because this is the number one thing that I hear. We're in a really strange time right now, and we're bridging still from the old days of when we would go to BNI and we would buy advertisements in the yellow pages or TV ads or radio ads. And those ways were very, very expensive. And every real professional business knew they had to have an ads budget of some type. So if you're operating and trying to do free social media and put posts out there and think that your appointment calendar is going to get totally booked, that belief of what that result should be is misaligned with what we used to do. I've been in business for 25 years longer. I'm trying to think. Like my first company was incorporated in 2001, but I've been in this arena, in the health and wellness arena, since 2001. And I've seen the other ways. And I've seen us go from offline to what's this internet thing? And then going to we should blog and then social media. And oh my gosh, I could promote my business on social media and I don't need to do those ads anymore. And then like periodicals, yellow pages, anything like print became like out of date. But then what happened is everybody came in and tried to do this on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever. And they were trying to get free social media press for their business through a Facebook page or even their personal profile. And what's happened is people are posting every day about the special of the week, get two massages, get one free, or hey, we're doing so many units of Botox on sale, or whatever it is. And they're posting and posting and posting, and they're not getting the result. And they're loyal to it. And they probably have like an office person doing it, the person at the front desk. Or I just talked to a Medi Spa locally the other day. I've got some stuff that I do for some maintenance. And I asked them, like, who's doing your social media for your med spa? And they said, this lady that also does, restaurants and pizza places. And I'm like, really? Like, how is that going? Seriously, because you've got to have the right, person aligned to help you with this better way. And I've been looking, they've been doing some social posting, but it's not really speaking the right language because that person is not coming from the health and wellness background and industry and then posting on their page, on their Facebook page. And so I'm like, well, how's that going to go? Because everybody's trying to do free social media thinking that magically meta platforms, Facebook, Instagram, threads, whatever, is going to just be a nice little fairy and show their, posts to everybody in the community and or online products if somebody's doing wellness products. And that's not how it goes. The better way is using ads. So you can take 5 hours a day of posting every single day, the best posts in the world for months, and one ad can outperform that on an ads budget starting at $10 a day. And you can get so much traction with the ads because the platform has one goal. The platform wants to keep people on the platform. So they do like that organic stuff on the Facebook page, but they also know you're running a business. And so they're like, well, we love that you're putting good stuff on your page, but we know you're doing a business. So if you would like us to expand your reach, we need you to put some money on the table and we'll show it for you. And that's why they want you to run the ads. And it also, of course, they're doing us a great service where we can run really great ads. The ads reach the right people with using the right plan and the right system. And we get product selling, we get subscriptions happening for wellness programs, we get people coming in and filling up that calendar for consults, for facelifts or mommy makeovers or whatever it is, right? But they've got that side of it because they're doing such a great job, which they do. They say, hey, like, you're using our platform and we got all this staff and we're like putting the media, we're hosting all your stuff, we'd like you to pay. And I really appreciate that about Facebook, aka Meta. You know what I mean? I use those interchangeably, just so you know. And I appreciate that. I do believe they deserve to be compensated because they are doing a great job for us. In the old days, we would spend $400 on an ad in the paper that would show for like a few days, and we had to run it 7 times to get it to even know if it worked. I remember not even that long ago. It was, oh gosh, when was it? Like maybe 2018. I know it was not like yesterday, it was a while ago, but it still wasn't like back at 2001 or 5 or something. And I remember looking at the local paper and they were still charging like $500 for a little print ad for 7 days. And oh, they were going to feature you online too. And that was just for a week. And that price is even what we used to pay a long time ago, like early 2000s. But nobody's looking at their little periodical print thing anymore. And that budget could be put onto Facebook, where instead of 7 days, you could be doing a whole month's worth of ads. And Facebook's like, I love you. You are posting on the page. You're giving us good content to keep people on the platform, and you're giving us some money. So we love you even more. And we're going to show your stuff to the right people. So if you have an ads plan or you have a marketing plan and you're not sure like which way to go with it, we can help you with that. Okay, we don't want you going to Facebook and just start throwing money at it, because it is the better way, right? It is the better way. Put up an ad, let it do its thing. Facebook will figure out the right people and then bring those people to you, providing that the ad is set up correctly, the messaging is correct, your targeting is correct, your imaging is correct, your videos are correct, however whatever media you're using. But when that's right, this is the better way. But we don't want you to just go in there shooting with blank bullets, going, I don't know, we're just going to pray and throw some money at this thing. And then the platform will say, well, it's not my fault. You're just throwing money at me, but we're still going to take it. So I'm just going to tell you, I hear it every day. I have been working with people and their Facebook ads since 2016. I've been in the wellness industry since 2001. I've had my own practice. I've tried the better way of posting every day, 5 times a day, and realized that wasn't the better way. But I found the true better way was with the ads. And so I know, because I'm a professional and I want to make professional income and be able to scale my business, I put in my ads budget into, instead of offline like I used to, I put it online, and I got incredible results where we grew 2 businesses over $2 million a year in sales. And so the better way is this. But the thing is, here's the caveat: you've got to have the right plan, and you've got to know where to start with, and have the right the media, the creatives. That's what people see when they're going through the feed. So let's figure it out for you, or let's help you figure that out, and then get a plan together. So the best next thing to do is schedule a call with us. We do a complimentary call to see where you're at. And when you click on the button below this video, there's going to be a link. It's going to take you over to my little survey, and it's going to ask you, like, where are you at? What's going on? Where are you kind of having some trouble? What would you like to do? What kind of business do you have? So tell us all about that. And then if we think we can help you, you'll go right to a calendar, schedule a call, and then we'll help you go through some things and put you on the right path and see what is the best thing for you to do. And we don't want you wasting your ads budget. And we don't want you sending out the wrong signals to attract crazy broke people. No offense, but it happens. If you've run an ad or been on social media for more than 5 minutes, you've seen those people. You're like, I don't want those as clients, right? I don't want those coming into our office. We don't want you to have that either. So let's do that call and we'll figure out what the right path is for you. And then we'll go from there. So go ahead, schedule that below, and we cannot wait to see if we can help you get on the right path.